morning to one and all. I am Karpana doing MCA. My project title is A Framework for Unknown Flow Detection and Classification Using Correlated Information. The outline of my project is Introduction, Existing System, Proposed System, Architecture Diagram and DFD, Algorithm, Screenshot, Conclusion and Future Work. Introduction of my project is Traffic Classification Technique plays an important role in modern network security and management architecture. For instance, traffic classification is normally an essential component in the product for quality of service control and intrusion detection. A number of supervised classification algorithms and unsupervised clustering algorithms have been applied to network traffic classification. In proposed Djikstra algorithm is used, the supervised method classifies any flows into predefined traffic classes, so they cannot deal with unknown flows generated by unknown application. We develop a system model to incorporate flow correlation into a semi-supervised method which possesses the capability of unknown flow detection. We provide the theoretical justification on performance benefit of applying these two new techniques to network traffic classification. In the existing system, poor performance data suffer poor performance in critical situation. Encrypted data in emerging application, data are encrypted. Uncompleted data training set, data are increased, classification become complicated. The proposed system flow label compound classification, nearest cluster based algorithm. Newly we use Djikstra algorithm for finding the shortest path to prevent traffic flow. Then architecture diagram, client send request to a server and server responses them. There are 6 modules. The first one is expression for transform of the distribution, probability of path, duration and availability, link availability, calculating method using Markov process, link correlation and performance evaluation. In the expression for transform of the distribution, we derive for the first time an expression for the transform of the distribution of a node moving according to the traffic model. Probability of path, duration and availability. Path, duration and availability time have been calculated. Link availability, searching for link and make a connection to link nodes. Calculating method using Markov process, it automatically changes the path to travel for destination. Then link correlation, connect the link availability and link duration. Performance evaluation, control the traffic. This is a data flow diagram. Client send request through router and server responses them, then send a file to the router. And the use case diagram, server and router have been processed. The activity diagram, selecting a file to the transfer, moving to node. If any node fail to send, if yes, selecting stability path, then file to be sent to the client. If no, passing file sequentially to other nodes, then reaching the client. This is a sequence diagram. Then Djikstra algorithm for finding a shortest path using edge value, the shortest path have been calculated. In screenshot, let us see without traffic. First, the user or admin have to register their details and then server see the request that user sent and then have to choose, then client have to choose the receiving path where the file have to stored. Then server seen the request and then send a file to the client, then uploaded appropriate file to the user. Then this is a stability path that data have been sent from source to destination. The packet arrival rate and path weightage have been calculated. Server transferring the file to the client. The file have been stored in the user as per the user request. Then let us see without traffic. Now we going to see with traffic. If traffic occur on one path, the using Markov process, the path have been automatically changed and the file have been reached from the destination. In conclusion, traffic classification encounter more critical problem in current advanced network and system, especially in in cloud computing environment. In this paper, we propose a novel traffic classification method to address the problem of unknown applications in the crucial situation of small supervised training data. The proposed method introduced two new techniques to sufficiently utilize flow correlation information. One is flow label propagation, which can automatically accurately label more unlabeled flows to enhance the capability of nearest cluster based classifier. The other is the compound classification, which can combine a number of flow prediction to make more accurate classification of BOF. In the future work, we have concentrated on the energy of the packet transmission. In the further we can concentrate on the security aspect, and this will work only on IPv4. We can also concentrate on IPv6. Thank you.